Polyester staple fiber production line. The global polyester staple fiber market size is expected to reach $39.3 billion by 2025, growing at a CAGR of 6.3%. The rise in the global consumption of sustainable textiles has been a major factor in driving the market growth. Be careful not to fall behind your competitors. So, build your own polyester staple fiber plant on time. We handle key projects from product exploration, project design, process control, manufacture, install service to start up running. We can provide all types of equipment of polyester staple fiber complete machinery. The possible production of our machinery is 0.8 to 1.5 denier cotton type high tenacity, 2 to 20 denier solid regular, 6 to 15 denier hollow conjugated. Build your own polyester staple fiber plant now. Contact us and let us support you as a licensor with our technology.